we're taking a closer look at the Bully Dog Thruster Throttle Booster for the 2008 to 2018 Silverado 1500s. This is a great solution for eliminating acceleration lag and giving your truck a more responsive, sportier feel right at the gas pedal. From the factory, many modern trucks have built-in throttle delay, an intentional softening of that throttle input that's meant to improve the drivability and even improve fuel efficiency. But for drivers who want quicker acceleration and a more connected feel to the truck, that delay can be really frustrating. That's where the Bully Dog Thruster comes in. This throttle booster plugs in line in between your pedal and the throttle body, modifying the signal to eliminate that hesitation and create a sharper, more immediate response from the gas pedal. You'll feel the difference right away on takeoff, when you're merging onto highways, or tackling trails and hills. It won't give you any more horsepower, but it will make your truck feel like it has more horsepower by reducing the delay between your foot and the engine's response. This thruster is also adjustable, letting you dial in the levels right with this nice control knob to match your driving style at the time, and you can quickly adjust it on the fly to go from faster pedal response to that more delayed, comfortable feel. Whether you want a subtle improvement or an aggressive jump in throttle sensitivity, it gives you the flexibility to choose with this handy little control knob that I mentioned, and you can mount it right to the dash or wherever is most comfortable for you. And because it's from Bully Dog, which is a trusted name in performance electronics, you can expect high quality components and reliable long-term performance. This module features a compact and weather-resistant housing built for life in the cabin and everyday wear and tear. It includes a built-in control module with the knob for on-the-fly adjustments and plug-and-play wiring harness that doesn't require any splicing to simplify that installation. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. Now, as far as the pricing goes, this is coming in right in that mid to upper $100 price range. This is an affordable way to dramatically improve your driving experience without diving into more complex engine mods or tuning. This install process is simple, so it's earning just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this in 30 minutes or less of your time. It's going to plug directly into the factory wiring at the pedal and includes everything you need for a clean, reversible install. Now let's head on out to the shop and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install goes.
For this install, all you need is the supplied zip ties. All right, today we're going to be installing a throttle booster on our Silverado, so let's get started. All right, so we're going to get ready to install this. First, we're going to plug our module into our harness here. Simply push it until it clicks, and then we have our harness that comes off for our adjustment knob. We're just going to plug those in together. We're just going to leave that on the ground for right now. You'll see our 2 plugs here. Now we're going to disconnect our pedal, and our one will go into our connector, the other one will go into our actual pedal. So unplug that, release the white locking tab, and then push down and release. Grab your harness here and plug this in line. Secure the locking tab on both the connectors. Now here's where you just want to make sure that you get this harness up out of the way. You can worry about the rest of that later. But you're just going to tuck this up as far as possible. Maybe grab a couple zip ties and secure it up out of the way. There are mounting points that you can see, but there is no hardware. You have to supply your own hardware. Tuck that up. Even get that harness. Grab a zip tie back. You just want to make sure it stays out of the way of anything moving, like the brake pedal or the actual gas pedal itself. Get that up out of the way. Now we just have to worry about our adjustment knob. Now, once again, you just have a bunch of extra wire there. You pull out what you need. You can mount this wherever you want on the dash. We're going to mount it right about here. So we'll pull out the slack that we need. Go ahead and tuck this up out of the way. Once again, you can zip tie just to make sure it's not going to fall down. Now we have a couple options to mount. There is just double-sided tape or actual Velcro. We're just going to use our double-sided tape for now. Really, it's just personal preference, because you can just set this to where you want and actually unplug it and take it off. It will save the setting, Get that secure on the back. Get the other side of the protective backing off. And then once again, you can mount this wherever you want. We're just gonna put this right on our dash, right about here. And here is where you can adjust it. So right now it's set to 0. You can go to 25, 50, 75, all the way up to 100. Just personal preference of where you want it.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Bully Dog Thruster throttle booster for the 2008 to 2018 Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.